Good afternoon, my name is Edward Johnson Booth. The subject I have always been interested in is fish and aquatic and marine life. My very first spoken word was turtle. When I was very young, I got hold of an old-fashioned textbook about fish and found it fascinating. I memorised most of the fish in there and read it so often the book fell to bits. Parents managed to find me another one, but that eventually fell to bits too. Marine life is all animals, plants and organisms that live in the ocean. It is estimated that about 50 to 80% of life on Earth is found in the oceans, which contain 99% of living space. About 1.5 million different species have been identified and classified by scientists, but we still know very little about what really goes on in our oceans and seas. There are so many different examples, from the tiniest zooplankton to the largest blue whales, and fascinating creatures from the deepest depths of the ocean, such as the dragonfish and anglerfish, which both use bioluminescence. Then there are the names of fish, which can be quite strange, like the coffinfish, spotlight loosejaw, and sarcastic fringemouth. When I went to Australia to visit my grandmother, we stayed on an island and stood in the sea while feeding fish to dolphins, which were completely wild. This was a fantastic experience. The dolphins were free to choose whether they swam into the beach to interact with humans or not. While doing this, we also spotted 6 wobbegons, a type of shark, that came into the shallows hoping to feed on scraps. I am very well travelled regarding aquariums in the UK, as whenever we go on holiday in Britain, we usually visit an aquarium. When I was younger, I used to embarrass my family by lecturing the public when they asked questions, as I often knew more than the staff. Oceans are becoming more of a well-known topic recently, partly due to David Attenborough. He has given a lot of publicity about the pollution that is damaging both rivers and consequently marine life worldwide. Next year, I am going to Sparsholt College to study animal care and zookeeping, with particular interest in aquatics, as they have a large centre. I would love to end up working in an aquarium or sea life rescue centre, as this would be both fun and interesting.